Hello, good afternoon, children. Welcome back. Now, today we will start our question number 8. Match the following cube with its deep drawing. Okay, now here there is a cube. Now, you have to match the drawing. Why? Because you want to prove it that in which shape you will cut or what you will do, then you will get the cube. Okay, so here many options have been given, like number 1, if you will cut like this way and you will try to attach it, can you do you will get this like this way cube? So no, we cannot get a cube by this drawing. If this cube drawing I will do like this way, I will design it and then afterwards I will construct it, then I will get this cube drawing. No, I will not get. If like this way deep drawing if I will do, can I get like this way shape? No, I will not get. Now what about this? If I am making this drawing I am doing here, so with the help of this drawing if I will construct, so I will get this drawing. Yes, I will get. So that is why I have attached this way, I have matched. Now number 5 also same way. Yes, this is the drawing of a deep drawing of a cube. So if I will do it on a paper and this way I'll draw it and then afterwards I'll construct, I'll make a cube, then I will get like this way shape. So I have matched. But this way if I will do a deep drawing, it will not represent cube at any cost, means it will not represent only, so it will be wrong. And the last, this you will think might be it is looking like this shape, but this is rectangle there, so this is cuboid. So you cannot, if you are doing deep drawing of a cuboid, so you cannot construct a cube with the help of this deep drawing. So for this is wrong. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Question number 9. Match the following net with its boxes. Now I think in might be in vacations and all you might have played lots of ludos, snake and ladders and so many different kind of games. Now here there is a deep drawing of the dice. So with the help of a dice only you are playing. Like example, if you are getting 6, so you have to move 6 steps ahead. As you know, I don't have to explain you the game because you might be expert in that games or and all. Okay, so here there is a deep drawing. I must say that there is a deep drawing of a dice. So what you can do, you can cut it on a paper like this way. Shapes you can cut on a square paper and you have to dot it like this way, in this manner only, and then try to make a dice. So you have to see the answers, which are the true and which are the false. Like here example, where is 3? So 3 is there, okay, here in a side. So on a top it should come 2. If 2 I am keeping on a head, on a ceiling portion, then side wall it will be 3 and to the other side wall it will be 1 if I will be folding. Okay, so the answer is yes. This is all about, you can make it practically or you can just have an assumption. As already I have given you the example of a room. You are standing in a room, okay, whatever the base is, but this will be your ceiling, and if ceiling is there and this side portion is there, if you will fold it downwards, so this will be a wall, and this also will be fold downwards, then this also will be a wall. So according to this, our answer is this one is correct there. Now number 2, if you are standing and there is a top, ceiling is this one, so on one side you will get this number 2 wall if it is folded downwards, but you cannot get it this one. So this answer is wrong there. Okay, now number 3, the ceiling is what? 6. So imagine you are standing, so the ceiling will be this 6 and you have to fold it this downwards, so this will be your one wall and this also will be one your wall if you are doing then. So but what will be your base then? For base you don't have a proper thing. This 3, this portion will go as a base. So that is why this answer is wrong there, because you cannot make a ceiling of this, means you cannot put this portion right now up. If you are keeping also, then it will have a different kind of foldings. Okay, now the next one is 4. So 4 is up. Okay, and then you have to construct it in such a manner that one side it should come 5 and after folding it, this one wall should come 1. Okay, so yes, when you will fold it, you will get this answer correct. Now the next one, again you are on a 6, and this side portion will be 2 and this side portion will be folded downwards, so you will get this answer. So these are the correct options and these are the wrong options. Okay, so you can better have a practically also, you can play this game also, okay, at your home. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 10. Join the corners of the following figure and write the name of the shape form. Now you have heard about the 2D figures, 3D figures and all. Now 2D figure means what? 2D means which we cannot feel like it is like outwards. Like see this picture. Actually I have not rubbed it properly, so might be in your workbook you will see. So you will see that there is a 2 squares are there. Okay, simple squares. But if I will add these corners, if I will join these corners like this, with the help of scale you have to do, okay. All 4 corners I have joined. So you will get the 3D image, like it is very outwards. Nowadays 3D movies also have come. Why these movies are coming? So that it should feel very real, means it should look very fantastic, it should be very nearer to your eyes. Okay, many people are wearing 3D glasses also. So why this all happens? Because of this closeness, because of its outwards. Okay, so this shape is giving you that effect also, or that effect only of 3D. Okay, and the square was simple was there, that was the 2D figure. Now here also there are 2 rectangles are given. These rectangles will give the image of 2D rectangles only. But if I will join these corners like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see what you are able to see. It is really looking very fantastic. It looks like a cuboid, means it is already cuboid, but then also it looks like somewhat it is real, it is very outwards. Okay, so this is called 3D image. Understood? So this is only the difference between the 2D and 3D. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.